girl, Aarti. She was reported as missing. So a complaint was received yesterday at Mandre police station, and as soon as the complaint was received, we had lodged a missing report in Mandre police station, and special teams were formed to trace the missing girl. The information at that stage was that the girl is a resident of Nepal, and she was visiting Goa as a tourist, and the information said that she was last seen at a wellness resort in Mandre. So during the course of the inquiry, several CCTV cameras were looked into. Search parties were formed specially to visit all major hospitals of Goa. All through the night, these search parties were visiting beaches and shacks just to trace the missing person. And fortunately, because of the continuous efforts by the team of Mandre police station, the missing girl was traced this morning, and we are happy to report that she is fine, and necessary NGO support has been provided to her. First aid has also been given, and if there is any need, then as the need will arise, we will also take necessary legal action if required. All through the search operation, the family members of the missing person were in touch with Goa police, and they were being updated, and updates were also being taken from them, so that there is no communication gap of any sort. And because of all these efforts, we were able to successfully conclude this operation. And I would specially mention the good work which has been done by SDPO Perne, Mr. Juba Dalvi, and by PI Mandre and his entire team. So that is all we had to brief you in. Thank you.
बताया जा रहा है कि लड़की इनसे पॉलिटिक्स के कुछ रिलेशंस है, पॉलिटिक्स में है, क्या ये सच है क्या?
देखिए, इसके बारे में मैं कोई जानकारी नहीं दे पाऊँगा. इसके अंदर बस मैं ये आपको बता सकता हूँ कि हमारे को वी वर ट्रीटिंग इट एज अ मिसिंग केस, एंड फॉर अस द सेफ्टी ऑफ द मिसिंग पर्सन वाज टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी, एंड उसी के लिए हमने अपने एफर्ट्स किए.
गोवा पुलिस में क्या इंपॉर्टेंस लगता है?
शी हैड वॉलंटरली, अभी जो इनिशियली उन्होंने बताया है कि शी हैड वॉलंटरली गॉन, एंड शी हैड लेफ्ट हर मोबाइल फ़ोन एट दी जहाँ पे वो पहले रह रही थी, और इसलिए उनके फैमिली मेम्बर्स उनको कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे थे. एंड शी वाज देन लेटर ऑन फाउंड at another wellness resort only of this kind. तो वहाँ पे हमें उनको फाइनली ट्रेस किया है.
Any medical illness स्टेटमेंट्स अभी हो रहे थे?
नहीं, ऐसे कोई फिजिकल इंजरी अभी तक हमें कुछ इस तरह प्रकार से कुछ नहीं है. सो शी इज़ सेफ, एंड द फैमिली मेम्बर्स आर विद हर, एंड NGOs आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग हर विद काउंसलिंग.
कुछ इवेंट था जिस वेलनेस रिजॉर्ट में मिली थी, उधर कुछ इवेंट था?
नहीं, ऐसा अभी तक कोई हमारी जानकारी में नहीं है.
So when was the missing complaint filed, sir? And
This was the missing complaint was filed last night, and almost within you can say 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours, we were able to track her down.
So she was missing due to she lost the way to come back or some other issue?
No, अभी तक तो ऐसा नहीं. Naturally, she was also not familiar with the topography of Goa, and she was not carrying a mobile phone. So this might have been another reason why she was not able to come back to where she was earlier staying.
is it correct that she's the daughter of a mayor in Nepal?
I don't know about that.
Because there's the news that she's the daughter of...
Maybe, I have no idea.
पॉलिटिकल्स कुछ नेपाल में है.
देखिए, हमारे लिए गोवा पुलिस के लिए शी वॉज अ मिसिंग पर्सन, एंड फॉर अस एवरी मिसिंग पर्सन वी ट्रीट at the same level और उसी तरीके so I have not spent my head on.
Filed the missing complaint.
The missing complaint was filed by the manager or the owner of the place at which she was staying.
सर मेयर का मीटिंग था क्या सर, नेपाल का मेयर का?
नहीं, मैंने अभी बताया कि मेरे को उसकी जानकारी नहीं है और हमें इतना पता है कि शी इज़ अ सिटीज़न ऑफ नेपाल एंड फॉर अस ऑल मिसिंग पीपल वी ट्रीट इक्वली.
पुलिस के लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट केस है टैकल करना?
देखिए, पुलिस के लिए मिसिंग, कोई भी मिसिंग जो होता है हम उसको बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं, सेंसिटिवली लेते हैं, क्योंकि हम ये बात को समझते हैं कि जिसके परिवार से जो मिस हो रहा है उनका काफ़ी विश्वास रहता है और उम्मीद रहती है कि पुलिस जल्द से जल्द उनको ढूंढ के दे. येस, शी हैज़ बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम, यू कैन से अ होटल, लॉज और a similar wellness center kind of a place.
So
अभी कराया जा रहा है वो, it is in progress.
So can the way you all are saying is at this moment it is a complaint of missing which was
Yes, yes.
So are there any kidnapping?
No. There is no kidnapping angle in this. I am again reiterating, clearing, there is no kidnapping angle in this. She had voluntarily gone and she had lost her way and we have recovered her and handed her over to her family.